challenge is that concate the tool is using the row wise. Concate the tool is using the row wise. So there I'm giving like a test underscore list one. There I'm giving like a 4 comma 3 comma 5. Maybe I can give one empty value and comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 7 comma 4. So now I want to say like concatenation those I plus j and I plus j for I comma j in zip of test underscore list one test underscore list two. So we are trying to merge those things like after concat two lists. So next I'm trying to like str of rec. So I want to keep it like in square bracket. So this is the way we can able to merge the two lists like 4 3 5 1 3 1 2 3 9 3 5 7 3 7 4 8. Like this we want to concate those things. There is a one method. There is a second way also is there. We can able to do second way we am trying to take for I in range of ln of test underscore list one and test underscore list one comma I dot extend test underscore list two comma I. So this is the second way also. We can able to concatenate. This is the one way. This is the another way. So there are two ways to concatenate the two list element wise element. We can able to do. Okay. We can have like multiple ways. These are the two ways I told. We have a multiple ways. You can try using anyways. But I written like two solutions for this. So row wise, how we can kind of zip is one method and extend is another way. We can able to write. Okay. Thanks for watching my video.